In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Browse AI for custom scraping tasks. And trust me, this tool can save you hours of work by automating data extraction from any website. If you're looking for a fast, easy way to automate web scraping, stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with Browse AI in under 5 minutes. Browse AI is an incredibly user-friendly platform, and one of its best features is the ability to create custom scraping tasks that pull the exact data you need. Whether you're a marketer, researcher, or business owner, this tool can streamline your data collection process, so let's dive in. First, head over to the Browse AI website. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up using the link in the description below. And yes, when you sign up through that link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, so definitely take advantage of that. Now, let's go ahead and log in. Once you're in, Browse AI gives you the option to start a new task. You'll see the Create a Task button right on the dashboard. Click that and you'll be asked to either scrape data from an existing template or create a new custom scraper from scratch. If you're looking for something specific, go ahead and select Custom Scraper. Now you'll be prompted to enter the URL of the page you want to scrape. Make sure it's the right page that contains the data you need, because Browse AI works by analyzing the structure of the page you give it. After entering the URL, the tool will start analyzing the site. Here's where it gets interesting. Browse AI uses a point-and-click interface, which means you don't need to be a developer to use it. All you have to do is click on the data you want to extract, and Browse AI will automatically identify the pattern. For example, if you're scraping product prices, just click on a price, and the tool will figure out where all the other prices are on the page. Once you've selected your data, Browse AI will ask you to confirm what you've chosen. If it looks right, click Save. At this point, you can give your task a name so you can easily identify it later. But we're not done yet. Browse AI allows you to set up how often you want the data to be scraped, so you can schedule regular updates if you need to. For example, if you're tracking prices, you could schedule the scraping task to run daily, weekly, or however often you like. This is perfect for competitive research or monitoring stock availability. Once everything is set up, click on Start Task, and Browse AI will begin scraping your chosen data automatically. You can even download the data as a CSV file, or set it up to export to Google Sheets if you prefer working in spreadsheets. And the best part? You don't need to do any of the heavy lifting yourself. Browse AI really shines with its simplicity and the power it gives you to automate custom scraping tasks without needing to know any code. It's an all-in-one solution that makes it easy to extract data, and it can be used for anything from monitoring competitor prices to pulling product listings or even gathering contact details from directories. So whether you're a marketer looking to keep an eye on industry trends, a researcher gathering data for a report, or a business owner needing to track competitors, Browse AI offers the tools you need to make scraping tasks easier than ever. Before we wrap up, remember, you can try Browse AI completely free with our exclusive extended trial by using the link below. It's a great way to dive in and see firsthand how it can benefit you. If you're serious about automating your web scraping, Browse AI is a tool you'll definitely want to check out.